Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix App Store not working in 2021 on any iPhone model, basically on the iPhone 12, iPhone 11, older models like the XS. And as you can see, I managed to get App Store to work for me, so I managed to fix it. And I'll show you how to do it if you watch this video all the way until the end. Before we start, make sure you actually give this video a like for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe if you are new, and hey, if you have any questions whatsoever around the video, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm really grateful that we just hit 13,000 subscribers, and I gotta tell you that each like helps us out a lot because it gets us a few more views. And also comment down below, which country are you watching this video from? I'm curious to know that. So the first thing you want to do is when you go in on the App Store, make sure you just sign into the right account. You can see your account basically when you click on search and tap on your name above, or when you just go over to your settings and either tap here or just go down below to the App Store. It should be somewhere around here near Wallet and Apple Pay, and make sure you've signed into the right one, that you've added all the information, verified it. This is the first thing you can do. Another thing is, chances are you just have airplane mode on, so you want to turn it off here, or just when you swipe up like this, or your mobile data or your cellular data is not turned on or is not configured, so you want to make sure all of that is set up. Another thing you can actually do to fix App Store not working in 2021 is to go to your general tab and just go down below, click on reset, and reset your network settings right here, which will basically fix most of the connection issues that you can have. And sometimes older phone models can have it, or devices that were just not updated regularly. So you can go in general, click on software update, make sure you've got the most up-to-date version of iOS. Currently at 26th of March 2021, it's 14.4.1. You can also just turn automatic updates on, so you can have download iOS updates and install iOS updates on, so you can automatically download updates when you just connect to your Wi-Fi. Sometimes you might not have mobile connection. Let's say that you're using your iPad, so you want to make sure that you're connected to the correct Wi-Fi settings and Wi-Fi network. So this is pretty much most of the fixes. If you still have questions though, I would love to help you out. Just comment them down below. I try to reply to every single comment. And again, like the video because each like helps us out a lot. I want to see you in one of the next videos. Bye.